2021 Chrysler 300S first test. Aging rear drive sedan exudes Mad Men era swagger. What we have here is proof positive that they, Chrysler and Dodge, still make them, mainstream front-engine/rear-wheel drive sedans, like every American automaker, used to. But this 2021 Chrysler 300S, and its Dodge Charger cousin, are getting rather long in the grille teeth. Should you hurry to grab one while they last, or wistfully wave them off into the sunset? To find out, we channeled our inner Don Draper, ordered up a nicely loaded top-shelf 300S, commuted to and from the office in it, and contemplated its relative merits over stiff cocktails on the divan. Aging gracefully? Conceived in the Daimler days, these sedans started out with great bones, strong unibodies and sophisticated suspensions. The addition of an all-wheel drive option for the second-generation models in 2011 plus the gradual rollout of ZF's great 8-speed transmission have kept the powertrains viable. But without constant, major improvement, the relentless march of time eventually takes its toll. Crash tests evolve over time, so an unchanged body structure eventually ends up with lower ratings. To wit, these cars were not designed for the small overlap test, so they rank marginal in it, with lower leg/foot injuries measuring poor. Similarly, the NHTSA awards the 300 just 4 out of 5 stars in all categories except side impact, where it gets the full 5. The 2021 Chrysler 300S electrical architecture has been sufficiently updated to support advanced driver assist features such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, although these are optional. There is no auto stop/start system. The instrument cluster info display has been updated and looks fresh, but the 8.4-inch infotainment screen is looking puny by modern standards, and the backup camera seems to feed it a low-res VGA image. The basic shape of the instrument panel, its blue lighting, and the curious graining of the soft-touch dash and upper door surfaces all seem a bit dated and downscale for the class. Happily, Chrysler upgraded the